first graders. Today we are learning on lesson 13-4, reasoning, which is also doing with scheduling, okay? So we use time a lot of times so that we know what time we're going to do something, all right? Like, can you imagine going to a movies and not knowing what time it starts? You might get there too early, or you might get there too late after the movie's over, or even in the middle of the movie. That's no fun. So we use time a lot so we know what time to be at places and what time to do things. So let's take a look at this person's schedule. This is Noel. So his schedule, he has a fun day today. So he has a music lesson at 3:30. At 4:30, he goes to the library. Then he gets ready at 5 o'clock so he can have dinner at 5:30. And then after dinner ends at 6, he plays a game. So we're going to organize this information and put it in a schedule here. So obviously we're going to think, what does he need to do first? So 3:30 is the earliest time. So under time here, we're going to write 3:30. This thing doesn't like to make dots. Dots. Okay, 3:30. So what is he doing at 3:30? He has a music lesson. So we're going to write music lesson for 3:30. Okay. At 4:30, he is the next time. So 4:30 is next. He goes to the library. So we can write library. So we're making his schedule for him in this nice chart so it's easy to follow. All right. Then he gets ready at 5 o'clock. So for 5 o'clock, gets ready. All right, so that he can have dinner at 5:30. So at 5:30, he is going to have dinner. All right. After dinner ends at 6, he plays a game. So what is he doing at 6 o'clock when he's done? He's going to play a game. Look at this. Now, looking at the schedule, isn't it so much easier to read this than to read all this? So that's why we create a schedule. And now he knows what to do. Okay? Take a look at the inside. We are going to be reading Mr. Diaz's class schedule. So his schedule is up here. Does anyone see that? That's his class schedule. All right, so using the schedule to answer these questions. So what time is it right here? So let's look at the hour hand. It is 8 o'clock. What happens at 8 o'clock? Oh, they have reading. So we circle reading. Okay. Then answer number 2. What happens at 10:30? Go look at the clock. But do you understand? Tell me what happens 1 hour after art begins. So first we got to think, what time does art begin? So art is at 10:30. So we're going to write art is at 10:30. Art. They want to know what happens 1 hour after. So that means we got to fix the hour. We got to make the hour go up by 1. So don't mess with the minute, right? We got to mess with the hour. So what's 1 after 10? What comes after 10? It's 11. So 1 hour after 10:30 is 11:30. We are not adding to the minutes because there's not, we didn't say anything about adding to the minutes. We're only adding to the hour because it says 1 hour after. So what happens at 11:30? Oh, he's going to have lunch. Yum, yum. Okay, so that's what happens. See how Mrs. Parker solved that? All right, let's look at the next thing. All right, so for this one, for questions 3, 4, and 5, where's my pen? 3, 4, and 5, you're going to be using this schedule, the nature trip schedule, okay? So first question is, what activity do children do before birdwatch? So write it down. I don't want the time. I want you to write down the activity. Write down the words. So let's look at birdwatch. What are they doing before birdwatch? Before, it's walk. So you can write walk. Okay? What activities do children do after lunch? So it might be 1 or 2 things that they do. If it's 2, write both of them down. Number 5, look at this time. What time is it? And tell me what are they doing at this time? Number 6, circle the time that shows half hour past 3. Remember, half of an hour. So remember, an hour goes around the clock one time. So half of the hour. So what time is it that's half hour past 3 o'clock? Circle one of these choices. All right. Good luck with this. This is actually our last lesson, and then we're having our topic 13 test tomorrow on time. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.